which Disney character are you filter on Instagram. I'm actually planning on releasing a few Instagram filter videos. So being Dr. Nikki, I searched them up on Google and found this. How many Instagram filters are there? And I couldn't find the answer. Normally I would start with a statistic about the topic, but here we don't have any. But disregard that, let's see how you can get the filter right now. Before, I would just ask you to leave a like on this video, it really helps out the channel. And if you're interested in tips on growing on Instagram, other Instagram filter videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. And there's a treat at the end of the video, so make sure you stick until the end. Okay, so here is how you do it. You go on Instagram and go on search and you type in this username, Kevin S-T-T-O-R-M. Type it with me. K-E-V-I-N-S-T-T-O-R-M. This guy. So what you do is you go on his profile, and first of all, if you go from your phone, if you're doing it right now, you can do it. You see that his profile looks like this. This is because his profile is private. Most likely due to the fact that he's getting a lot of profile visits from people that just want to get the filter, but he's making these filters to grow on Instagram and gain more followers. So what he did was made his account private, so people gotta follow him to check the filters out. Do a follow request like on this picture and wait until he accepts you. For me, I waited like 2 or 3 minutes, he accepted me. Instagram is a give and take business. Welcome to Instagram.
Welcome to Washington.
So when you're on his profile and he accepted you, you just click this button, right? This is the feed, you click this button. And what you do after is you scroll down and you go on the princesses Instagram filter. Here it is, princesses. So you click on it and you can either save it to camera roll, share it with a friend with the arrow, click try now. And you might be trying it out and you're thinking to yourself, wow, it's not working. Well, duh, you gotta click the record button. Now let's see what kind of princess am I? Is this good or bad? I don't know. But this is how you do it. It's pretty simple. Then you can save it to your stories. Since you've stuck until the end, I want to help you out. And I will shout your Instagram account if you comment down below in the comments on YouTube your Instagram and what your Instagram account is about, so people can notice you and I can help you grow on Instagram. Let's see who the shoutout winner is, and we have a bunch of people. I tried to save them in the beginning of the day when I check my messages, and I saved 5 for this video, I think. Yeah, so the first one is actually Minty Sprinkle. I'm really sorry if I pronounce anyone's name wrong, who says, please shout out my account, bro. I just started my page 3 days ago, Minty Sprinkly. Yeah, and she only has 1 photo. I went ahead and shouted her out on Instagram, not just on YouTube, because she had a lot of really good comments on my channel. Couple THA Travel. It's probably a couple travel page. Really good idea. Those really work, especially during the quarantine, because people wanna see other people's traveling while they can. Thanks, man, for your information about it. If you can shout out my Mercy Call of Duty gaming account, really nice. Love to see the video. Here we go. Then we have a YouTube shout out, Anna Gonzalez, who says social media. She has a really good YouTube channel and an Instagram account. If you value social media tips on YouTube, Instagram, so on, check her out. The Blue Mantic, inform, entertain, subscribe. Ooh, this makes me feel so good. And then we have the Fact Guru, who says Achievers Club. It's a quote again. Oh, that's the daily motivation kicking in. You should definitely check him out. And then we have TRIFNI by Michael Ra. So check him out as well. We gotta help each other out as a community, as a small growing community. And if you watched until the end and you wanna get a shout out, just comment down below and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you see the shout out in one of the next few episodes. And remember that video a day keeps the doctor away, but this is no financial advice, this is no medical advice, and at this blank space here you see 1 or 2 videos. Both are really good. Check one of them right now. No, I mean do it. Come on, do it.